front of me is ZTE Blade A53 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, tap on Connected Devices, then choose Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Now you can select the default print service right away. And wait! Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one first by clicking on blue switcher at the top. Then click on the back button, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP1. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!